We are going to be crazy into the horsepower gains, you guys. I will put the link in the description. So before we get into the video, you guys, yes, we did do a car wash. We totally skipped that part. I know you guys just wanted to watch me use the foam cannon over there, and then, yeah, whatever it is what it is. It's nice and shiny, getting ready for Power Cruise here. Let's dive into what we've been doing to the Mustang to get it ready for Power Cruise. We do have one car show of the weekend, and then like literally Power Cruise is in four or 5 days here, so pretty fast here. So we're trying to pump this content out as fast as we can. Yes, we started Power Cruise videos from like the first Power Cruise, so 4 months ago. So we are super behind, but we are working at it. All right, into today's video, you guys, velocity stack. Let's get it. How much are you guys paying for velocity stack though? Low key, come on now. So I picked this up on Amazon. Actually, it's by a doo-doo brand. Actually, you guys are gonna roast me for using this velocity stack. Why would you use this velocity stack? Oh my goodness, do you guys even know what a velocity stack is? All right, I mean, look at that thing. That thing is funneling all the air into the supercharger here. So this is a Spectre Performance 4-inch. Woof. I mean, a Spectre, you guys. A Spectre Performance 4-inch. I believe it is outside diameter. So actually inside diameter is actually perfect for this ESS, because this is not a 4-inch outlet, you guys, so outside diameter, you know. So that's why I couldn't use my old turbo guard on there, because that's not a 4-inch on there. It's like a 3.7 something. So this being a 4-inch outside diameter here barely works. It's a snug fit, so I will show you guys. It's a very, very snug fit. I actually kind of like beveled it, like trimmed the edges a little bit. So yeah, we totally skipped that part. I know it's a little roughed up. I sanded it and everything, but it's a very tight fit. And for 20 bucks, this is a crazy good deal, because, you know, people are charging up the wazoo. Some people are paying like 160 bucks for a velocity stack, man. So my dyno numbers are actually not 1,000 horsepower. We dynoed it with this intake actually on, and I only made like, I don't know if I should tell you guys, but we only made high 800s. Oh, I almost choked there. We only made high 800s with this filter on. So then we took it off, actually, and then we made over 900 to the wheel. This, since it straightens out the air, we should make close to 1,000 wheel horsepower, you guys. So actually, you guys losing to this setup, it's pretty hysterical in my opinion, because I keep saying like I'm 1,000 horsepower, but I'm really not, and you guys are only losing to like 800. So like, this is probably an 850 wheel car with this intake on. So you guys have been losing to that. That's pretty disappointing in my opinion. And all right, let's just get into it. Enough talking. Let's get into this amazing install. As always, I will show you guys how to take this 5/16 off. You know, you get a 5/16 nut runner here. You kind of just do this like so. Boom, clamp comes loose. Yeah, so that's why I don't really like to record me doing that stuff, because that's whack. Oh, once you got that intake off, you know, you take this hose clamp off. You put the intake over there for now. It's just demonstration purposes. We might pull the intake off, but for demonstration purposes, we will now show you guys how to install this velocity stack. There's no bands. This is actually for like another intake system, so like the cone will actually go over this, but we're cheap. Okay, all right, let me just show you guys what a velocity stack is. All right, then you kind of just put this on like so. It's a tight fit. If you guys don't know what tight is, my God, this is tight. Okay, no lubrication, no. Oh, yeah, that's tight. Kind of like that. We are going to be crazy into the horsepower gains, you guys. It's going to be absolutely insane what this thing makes. Whew. So there you have it, you guys. We got a cheap velocity stack. It is on there. It is not coming off. This is not coming off, you guys. But there you go. Cheap velocity stack. Not many will work because of this hose, this doo-doo hose in the way here. Damn coolant. But there you guys go. That's how you gain like 40 wheel horsepower right there. just moving the intake and going to an open mouth or open housing was already like a 30, 40, 35 like horsepower gain. So with a velocity stack straightening out that air, my goodness, I'm sure we'll see like 50 horsepower gain. Like, that's insane. For 20 bucks, 50 horsepower, woo, sign me up, you guys. Hey, get yourself a Mustang, man. I'm telling you. Dang, that thing is nasty. So anyways, that's the velocity stack, you guys. It's a very, very tight fit. I will put the link in the description. And like I said, it's a very, very tight fit. You will probably have to bevel that lip on the inside. And then shout out to Moas for giving me some 1-ethanol S. Ooh, so we do have some more gas in the back ready to go. So then I'll put the fuel in the back there, and then all the camping gear, all the tools in the trunk, tires will load up, maybe in the back seat or in another vehicle, and then just go up like that. And like I said, Mustang, we drive it there, we race it, and then we drive back home. That's it. That is it. I don't know if I'm gonna run the velocity stack. I don't know. I bought it because it's cool and it's cheap, but we'll see what happens. You know, could suck this in. You know, all this power right here. Might have to put like another zip tie there or something, but this intake might be a problem too. Ugh. We just want to take a look at the brakes, and they are pretty crazy. I don't know if you guys see that. Let's go zoom in real quick. We do have, I guess you would call them hot spots. All right, so we got the clip out. I didn't show you guys that part because you guys love it, you know, skipping to the goods. But we got the first pad out, and when I said I thought I had life on here still, yeah, we was getting down there pretty good. Sorry for the wind, the fan's on, but I honestly don't think this would have lasted me at Power Cruise, you know what I mean? Over 100 pulls. This could have been dangerous, so I'm kind of glad I'm taking a look at it right now. New versus old, that's absolute insane, you guys. Okay, so with everything back together, this is what a brand new rotor looks like. It is nice and shiny, kind of how you want it. And like, that is, whoa, it's been used, you know what I mean? So one last comparison here, you guys. We got the old rotor here. It does look shiny, but like when you go to this one though, oh my goodness. Like, so that is pretty much it, you guys, for the Power Cruise update here. Power Cruise prep, my velocity stack video. That's pretty much it. We'll see you guys at Power Cruise in 4 days here. So we'll see you guys out there. We'll run it. Like I said, hey, make sure you guys line up and stage really nicely, because I'm going to start cheating, because that's the only content we can get now, because no one wants to line up nice and evenly. No one wants to count. People just decide to go whenever they want to go. People want to just, hey, bro, chase the race. So that's what we're going to give everyone. We're just going to go. We're just going to go. But if you do want to line it up, I'll give it to you guys. You know, if you guys really want to line it up. If you don't line it up, if your windows are up, you best believe I'm staging 3 cars behind you, and I'm just gonna go, and I'm gonna make a video of like I gapped you, because that's what we do. So we'll see you guys out there. There are some pretty badass cars that are gonna be out there, and I hope that they give me a good run. We'll see how the Mustang does. Like I said, I think the trans could be hurt, but I don't know. We'll see you guys out there. Peace.